be here at I am at India's first kite museum, which is one of the major tourist attraction. The museum that showcases of around 125 kites, including 70-year-old Japanese kites.
Every person in this world said this is a beautiful museum. This has completed 32 years. See the span of life, and today you feel that everything is fresh.
The collection of custom-made kites included in the museum is mirror-work kites, 16 to 20 cm long kites, Japanese kites and block print kites. Exhibits in the museums are not only kites but also interesting illustrations and paintings. You can spot the extraordinary collection of kites and even the papers which are used to make the kites.
My name is James. I'm a South African traveling in India. I've just visited the Kite Museum. It's been very good. It's interesting, you get to see not just the different designs of the kites, which are beautiful, framed beautifully here as you walk around, but also the history, different history from even different countries, but also India. It's been very informative. It's been great.
Situated in Ahmedabad, the museum is a part of Sanskar Kendra, which was formed in 1954 as the cultural center of the city. Like its exhibits, the building of the museum is also a Hai-Chandar, as it was designed by the renowned architect Le Corbusier himself in 1954. Established on 26 February 1984, the museum is founded and designed by Bhanu Shah, who made waves as poet, writer, painter, designer, photographer and child educator. While visiting the museum, you notice that it is a sheer reflection of Bhanubai's passion and love for kites.
Has the maximum number of kite flyers in the world. The kites flown in the sky on that day cannot be counted. Therefore, I call the sky of Ahmedabad is the capital of the world sky. Now, we visited many places. Why? Because this city gave maximum business in India to the craftsmen, kite makers. Kite makers used to earn maximum number of money in this city, and all beautiful, expert, traditional, hereditary craftsmen came to the city before 2 to 3 months of Makar Sankranti, kite flying day, 14th of January. They hire the house, they bring some 10, 15 craftsmen from the state, from the city, and they used to make the kite. And they used to have a shop in the street, which is called the Patang Bazaar, the kite bazaar. And they used to put beautiful 6, 7, 8, 9 kites to decorate the small shop. Those kites were beautifully done, like a painting. So when I saw for the first time those type of kites, I said, this is wonderful, I've never seen in my life. And these are not kites, these are work of art. So this is the basic route of collecting the kites. In terms of the kite collection, a director of Netherlands once came and he saw my total collection. I took out one by one. He says, amazing, I can't bear it. You should think about the kite museum. So that gave me a thought that I should think of the Kite Museum.
To gain insights into the history of kites, do visit this museum.